Ciao, benvenuto amici. I'm Vito and this is Vito's Italian Cucina. Welcome to the show, of course. Love to have you. Today's a great day. Simple, easy, 3 cheese, garlic crusted, chicken breast. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you something, you're going to love it. It's going to be about 45, 50 minutes in the oven. We're going to do a little frying, but I'm going to tell you what I got right here that goes into it. The 3 cheeses, they're right here. I got them in 2 different little pans right here, okay? And what they are mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, Romano cheese. And then I also have seasoned breadcrumbs and some panko. Yeah, panko for that crunch that we all love. You know what I mean? So I got a little bit of an egg that I beat up here. And in the egg is a little balsamic vinegar and some balsamic glaze. Whoa, what are we doing here? That's right, a little sweetness. You're going to love it. So we're going to go ahead and go through this. We're going to go pull it in the, dredge it, bread it, and then I'll meet you over at the stovetop. Come on in, a little closer. I'm going to show you how we do this. Look at these chicken breasts. Aren't these beautiful? Wow, look at how gorgeous that is. So what you do is you just go ahead and dredge it like so. I'll do both of them at one time. Why not, huh? There, we get them both in there, just like this, huh? Then we bring it over, and we put it into here. Do a little press down, okay? Then we flip it over, just like so. And now it's not sticking so much, so that's why I got my little side dish here. That's what I like to use. And I go ahead and I press it in. Look how easy that is. Sometimes it doesn't stick real good, but you want to get it fully coated on both sides. Don't worry. Just be generous. Just be generous and put it in there, just like so. Okay, look at how nice that looks. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Okay, then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna bring it right over here. Put it in my little pizza pan. I love these pizza pans. And then I'm gonna do the second one. Here we go. Same way, just like so. Just like so. Yeah, there we go. There we go. My little side dish. I like that side dish. There we go. And we just press it down, get it in there. Look at that. Oh. God, it's gorgeous. There we go. Now, I'm going to take it, bring it on over into the pan. You see that? Okay, folks, I'll meet you over at the stovetop. Don't go nowhere. Thanks for joining me at the stovetop. Here's our breaded chicken. We're going to go ahead and put it in our heated frying pan over here with a little bit of olive oil in there, okay? Don't get it too hot. And when you put the chicken in, lay it down away from you, okay? That way it doesn't splash. Ready? Come on over. Let's go. So we bring it in, just like so. Put it down. Oh. Okay, we're going to let them fry on one side. All we're going to do right now is just brown them on both sides. You don't want to cook them fully. We brown them, turn them over, brown them on the other side, and then we put it in our pan that also has a little bit of olive oil in it. Okay? Don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go take a look and see how they're doing. Come on in, let's see. Oh, that looks great. Look at how great that looks. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Let's see how the other one looks. Okay, it's time to check the other side. Come on in. Oh, it looks great. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm putting it right in the oiled pan right here. Look at that. Just like so. Look how great that looks, guys. Oh, my God. It's beautiful. Look at this. Turn this off. See, this is what you're looking for. Isn't that great? Now, remember, it's not fully cooked. We want to cook it at 375 in the oven, okay, for about 45, maybe 50 minutes. The internal temperature needs to be about a 165, so don't forget that. You don't want to do raw chicken, do you? Okay, I'll meet you over at the old stove. Hey, folks, thanks for meeting me at the oven. I said stove before. That's an oven. Okay, so we're ready to put it in the oven at 375 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Remember to check the internal temperature at 165. You don't want to have it under that. You want to be safe. You want to be safe with chicken. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get ready to put it in. But first, I'm going to use some aluminum foil. And I usually put it down, shiny side down, like that. So it kind of reflects. I'm ready to go. Now I'm going to the oven. Here we go. Here we go. And we slide it on in, just like so. And as they say in Vegas, all done. All right, got my pot holders. It's time. I already checked the internal temperature. It's a 165, and it's time to take them out. There we go, just like so. Put that there. Close the old oven. And I'm gonna untent it, because if you don't do that and let it rest for about 10 minutes, the juices won't get locked in. By untenting it like that, it'll keep it from getting soft and it's more moisture on top. You want it nice and a little crunchy, okay? So you're not gonna wanna miss this. Don't go away, come on back, check this out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and slice it up. I'm glad you waited. You're gonna love this. Let's check it out. Look how, whoa. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna take that right there. Oh, it's great. So I'm gonna put it on the old plate to show you what the deal is here. Don't go nowhere. Okay, here we go. It's on the old beauty plate here. I got one more thing to do. I'm gonna put a little parsley on top. I'm gonna do a little foo-foo here, you know what I mean? So come on down here, take a look. A little bit of parsley. And I'm just gonna throw it on top just like so. Just like so. And you can put it around the plate if you want to. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Wow. Thanks for joining us here on Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember, go to vitositaliancucina.com and sign up. Get your recipes. I love it. Thanks for subscribing. Ciao for now.